Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, our comprehensive guide on the top 5 best baby food blenders of 2024. Discover the ultimate blending solutions that promise to make meal prep for your little one a breeze. Stay tuned till the end for our exclusive pick that might just revolutionize your kitchen routine. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Sage Spoonfuls Baby Food Maker. Stick around to see if it's the right fit for your family. Ease of use. This nifty gadget is a game changer for busy parents. It's a lightweight and portable immersion blender and food processor that whips up baby food and family meals in no time. Whether you're at home or on the go, meal prep just got a whole lot easier. Cleaning made simple. Nobody likes the cleanup, but the Sage Spoonfuls makes it painless with dishwasher-safe attachments. A quick rinse and into the dishwasher they go, making for a hassle-free cleanup. Remember, for best results, blend for no more than 30 seconds. Safety first. When it comes to our babies, safety is paramount. The Sage Spoonfuls Baby Food Maker is crafted from food-safe plastic without BPA, phthalate, lead, or PVC. Plus, those stainless steel blades are not only durable but also dishwasher-safe. Versatile food system. Whether you're making a single serving of veggies or a big pot of soup, the 2-in-1 food system has you covered. It's both a food processor and an immersion blender, giving you the flexibility to blend any food to the perfect texture. Bulk preparation. Plan and prep meals ahead with ease. The Sage Baby Puree and Blend pairs perfectly with their collection of baby food storage jars, allowing you to store meals safely in the fridge or freezer. Nutritious, homemade baby food is always ready when you are. Conclusion. So, is the Sage Spoonfuls Baby Food Maker the helping hand you've been looking for? If you value ease, safety, and versatility, then it might just be a must-have in your kitchen. Number 4. The Braun MultiQuick 5 Immersion Hand Blender. Stick around as we blend our way through its features and performance. Patented Powerbell System. First up, the patented Powerbell System. This blender's ultra-hard stainless steel blades and unique bell-shaped shaft make blending a breeze. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies. This design ensures everything is silky smooth. Splash Control Technology. Next, we have the Splash Control Technology. The innovative floral bell shape and internal blade positioning are game changers, folks. You can blend to your heart's content without worrying about making a mess. Easy blending equals easy cleaning. High precision durability. Let's talk high precision durability. The German-engineered motor is the heart of this blender, balancing power with longevity. It's built to last, ensuring smooth operation and comfort, even during those marathon cooking sessions. EasyClick Accessory System. The EasyClick Accessory System is a true highlight. With just a click, switch between attachments to blend, chop, whisk, and more. It's like having a culinary Swiss Army knife right in your hand. Maximum efficiency. Lastly, maximum efficiency. The ergonomic handle and dual speed settings are designed for ease and speed. Whether you're whipping up a quick dip or a complex sauce, this blender has got you covered. In conclusion, the Braun MultiQuick 5 is a powerhouse that marries functionality with innovation. It's a must-have for any kitchen. Number 3. The BEABA Babycook Neo. So, let's get cooking, all-in-one convenience. The BEABA Babycook Neo is a game-changer for busy parents. With its glass bowl and stainless steel components, it's a sustainable choice that promises to steam cook a variety of foods in under 20 minutes. Say goodbye to extra pots and hello to convenience. 4-in-1 functionality. This isn't just a food maker, it's a 4-in-1 powerhouse. Steam, blend, defrost, and reheat all in one place. The elevated steam basket means nutrients stay where they belong, in the food. Plus, you can use the leftover water to adjust your puree's texture. Generous capacity. With a 34-ounce steam basket, you can whip up to 34 servings at once, perfect for meal prepping. The bowl's graduation markings make measuring a breeze. From purees to solids, this baby food maker has got you covered. Smart features. The auto shut-off timer is a lifesaver. Just set it, and the Babycook will let you know when the food's ready. It's designed for one-handed operation, so you can multitask like a pro. Safety and quality, safety is key, and the Babycook Neo delivers. Its unique blend feature offers control over food consistency, and it's certified safe by the highest standards globally. Plus, it's free from BPA, lead, and phthalates. Conclusion: the BEABA Babycook Neo is a standout in the world of baby food makers. It's efficient, safe, and built for the modern parent. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to prepare healthy meals for your little one, this might just be your kitchen's new best friend. Number 2. The Baby Brezza One-Step Glass Baby Food Maker. Let's dive into why this might be your new kitchen hero. Automatic operation: the Baby Brezza is a game-changer with its automatic steam and blend feature. Just chop, drop, and let it rock. It steams and blends in the same 4-cup glass bowl, making meal prep for your little one effortless and efficient. Capacity and settings: whether you're preparing a small snack or meals for the week, the 4-cup capacity has you covered. Plus, with 3 settings to choose from, you can steam, blend, or do both, catering to every stage of your baby's palate development. Ease of use: cleaning up is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe bowl and blade. The steam tank is a cinch to access, and the LCD control panel makes operation simple. Plus, the water tank's removable for easy refills. Precision blending: the 4 stainless steel blades ensure a smooth puree every time. Just remember to cut your ingredients into small pieces for the best results. And don't worry, the blades are safely housed in plastic. Conclusion: the Baby Brezza is a solid choice for busy parents. It's BPA-free, comes with a 1-year warranty, and operates at 110 volts. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple steps and hello to quick, healthy meals for your baby. Number 1. The Vitamix A3300 Ascent Series Smart Blender. So, grab your favorite fruits and veggies, and let's blend up this review. Touchscreen controls: the A3300 boasts a touchscreen interface that's as modern as it is functional. With just a swipe, you can control the blender's settings, and the cleanup is a breeze. Just a quick wipe, and it's good as new. Variable speed pulse: whether you're craving a chunky salsa or a silky soup, the variable speed control and pulse feature put the power of texture at your fingertips. It's all about personalizing your palate's pleasure with this machine's versatility. Wireless connectivity: gone are the days of guesswork in blending. The A3300's built-in wireless connectivity means it auto-adjusts blending times based on the container size. It's like having a personal blending assistant in your kitchen. Programmable timer: over blended soups and under whipped creams? Not anymore. The programmable timer ensures your creations are just right every time. Set it, forget it, and let the A3300 handle the rest. Self-detect containers: expand your culinary horizons with the self-detect containers. Whether it's a single-serve smoothie or a family-sized feast, this blender's adaptive system is ready for any challenge. Conclusion: the Vitamix A3300 isn't just a blender, it's a revolution in your kitchen routine. With its sleek design, intuitive controls, and smart features, it's the professional-grade companion that'll make every blend better than the last. Happy blending! Hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.